Hey, welcome to another video of Unfiltered Adoption Talk. My name is Masha and I am so happy that you're here. And if you have not downloaded your free guide, please go ahead and do that if you want to. It is down below for you. It is completely free, so click on the link and follow along. I am here to deliver your number 7 in no particular order, 7 of 11 ways to connect with your adopted child, okay? And that is give them the ability to choose. When an adopted child, any child for that matter, but this is an adoption talk, right? So when an adopted child feels like they can choose, whoo, baby, the whole world opens up for them. They're like, wow, I actually have a say in this world. One, they start to feel like a human. Two, they start to trust you more. And three, they open themselves up to you. Okay, and that's what we want here, right? You chose to adopt your child because you want to build a connection with them, right? You want a family, but yet things are not working out, and that's okay. Okay, that's okay. That's what I'm here for. I'll help you. Okay, so ability to choose. So let me just share this with you. When I was adopted from Russia when I was 11, I did not have a choice. Okay, I was told I was coming to America to visit. Okay, I couldn't say no. Even if I did, they'd be like, oh, too bad, they want you to come visit. Okay, so I came and visited. Then, did they ask me how I liked it? How it went for me? No, they did not. So guess what? I didn't have a say. They didn't care what I felt. Well, like, what if I didn't like it? They don't care. Oh, we have a placement for a kid. Okay, great. Okay. When it came to being adopted about 9 months later or so, did I have a say? Did I choose to be adopted? No. I did not, because I was a minor. My brother, who was my legal guardian, gave permission to have my parents adopt me, right? So therefore, I did not have a choice to be adopted. These kids do not have choices what home they go to, what clothes they wear, who they're going to be around, what, like, the trauma that they experience going from home to home to home, and then maybe they'll get adopted, right? Foster kids experience more trauma than your average Joe, okay? Because it's like, oh, and then the people wonder, like, oh, I wonder why they're like so this and that and have such bad attitudes. Well, wouldn't you too? If you've had to protect yourself against people who have taken your ability to choose from you your whole life, wouldn't you be kind of aggressive, closed up, and kind of non-appreciative? Yeah, I think so. So the easiest way to allow your adopted child to choose is, this is super simple and goes with the other ways of connecting. So this will also show them that you're accepting them because of what they choose to do. So let's say that on Friday nights that y'all watch a movie as a family, okay? This kid just came into the family. They don't freaking know you. They don't want to watch a movie with you. Like, they could care less. So guess what? Instead of telling them, oh, hey, on Friday night, we're going to be watching Minions. Okay? No, you ask them. Okay? Would you, on Friday nights, normally on Fridays, we have movies. Okay? And we plan on watching Minions. Would you like to join us? They're going to be like, yes, or no, it's okay. And you need to detach yourself from the answer that they give you and allow them, showing them that you genuinely accept their answer, because you should expect them to be closed off. You should expect them not to want to spend time with you at first. You should expect that. They don't know you, okay? So when you give them that choice and they say no, for example, okay, cool, great. Well, we're going to be watching Minions, and if you choose that you would like to join us, we'll be there. Okay, so now you're not closing them off, like, oh, okay, well, you don't want to watch it, and then throw in their face, well, you do want to watch it with us and stuff. You left the door open, you invited them, they were able to choose, you're not making them feel bad for their choice, and you're leaving that door open to say, we're still going to do this. We would love to have you watch it with us. But if you choose not to, it's okay. Okay. But if you choose to, come on, join us. And guess what? Without even thinking about it, they're going to do it on their own. Maybe not the first time, maybe not the second time. But the more you do this, the more consistent you are about this, the more you're going to see them open themselves up and be like, and one of the times they're going to join you. Okay. And the movie is just an example. Okay. You can use it with everything. Instead of telling them y'all are going for a walk, you ask them, what if they don't want to go walk with you? And respect it. That goes along with number one, respected space, right? So you see how these are like flowing all together? Yeah. Super cool, huh? Okay. So that was number 7 for you. And I hope you enjoyed that. Comment down below with your questions if you would like to dive deeper. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.